shaking if you have bacon. Alrighty, I'll get the sugar and the eggs. Can you get me some chocolate chips?
What was that?
Chocolate chips.
Chips. Got it. Tater chips. A little salty and dry. Okie dokie. What next?
Baking soda.
Soda. Perfect. That'll get the tater chips nice and wet. Now what?
A cup of flour.
A cup of sour? Well, lemons are sure sour. 1 cup of sour coming up. Anything else, Pinky?
One last thing. Wheat germ.
Ugh, wheat worms? Oh, that must be fancy talk for earthworms.
Now that's gonna be delicious.
If you say so.
Free Muffin Sample Spectacular!
Yeah, muffin spectacles. Get 'em while they're hot. We came as soon as we heard. Thank you, Twilight. We need all the help we can get. Oh, no. What happened? It was a mishap with some of the baked goods.
No, not baked goods. Baked bad.
Applejack. Oh, want one?